Welcome students. Today our topic is circular flow of income. Circular flow of income refers to exchange of goods and services and money across different sectors of the economy. This flow of income is circular as well as continuous because the payment of one sector becomes the receipt of the other sector and the production activity involving payments and receipts has been continuous since time immemorial. Circular flow of income in two sector model. In our syllabus, there is only two sector model. There are some assumptions. There are only two sectors in the economy, households and producers. There are no savings by households. Firms sell all their goods to the households. There are no purchases by the government, no role of government in this sector. There is a laissez-faire economy. There is no foreign trade, closed economy. There are two flows, real flow and money flow. What is real flow? In a barter economy, when money is not there, households render their factor services to the firms and get goods and services in return from the firms. Flow of factor services and goods and services is called real flow. Money flow. In this model, in this sector, factor services are rewarded in the form of wages, rent, interest and profit. Accordingly, money flows from firms to households by way of factor payments. Similarly, households make payments to the firm for the purchase of goods and services. This is a two-sector model. Households give factor services to firms or producers in the form of land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, and households take goods and services from firms. Firms gives goods and services to households. It is a real flow. And in the inner part, producers give payment for factors of production in the form of rent, wages, interest and profit. Households give payment for their goods and services. It is a money flow. As we have discussed, outer layer of the diagram shows the real flow. Flow factor services from households to firms and corresponding flow goods and services from firms to households. The inner loop of the diagram shows the money flow. Flow factor payments from firms to households and corresponding flow consumption expenditure from households to firms. What is the conclusion of the circular flow? Simple economy means two-sector model. There is no government, no foreign sector. Total production is equal to total consumption. Total production of goods and services by firms is equal to total consumption of goods and services by the households. Factor payment by firms is equal to factor income of the households, means expenditure of one is the receipt of the other. Consumption expenditure by households is equal to sales revenue of firms. Real flow in the form of factor services and final goods and services is equal to money flow of income and expenditure of firms and households. What is the significance of the study of circular flow of income? Study of circular flow of income highlights the relation and interdependence among different sectors of the economy and the way in which each sector contributes to the national output. Thank you.